Hey guys, my name is Freedom. How to change the eyes color of the CC5 character, the Character Creator 5 avatar. How to make it just in a few seconds. You can change it to any eyes color. I'm going to show you all the step by step how to get into this process. So first I'm going to just reset everything. This is just a normal CC5 avatar. I'm going to show you all the step by step. The first step, you need to make sure you already press Q and double click your 3D avatar and select it. Next step, go to the material tab. From here, you need to select the correct material. That is the standard cornea R and L. R is for right and L is for left. Right eyes and left eyes. So you click this first, click the standard cornea R first, and hold the control, click the left. Both get selected. Then scroll down, you should be able to see the base color. Right click the base color, click adjust color. It is going to lead you to here. You can adjust the hue, then you can change the eyes color, the cornea color. It is really easy. It can be blue, it can be purple, it can be brown, it can be any color. Then you can change the brightness as well. Change the darkness, the brightness of the eyes. It is really easy. Just change it. You can make any color for your CC5 avatar's eyes. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to change the Character Creator 5 3D avatar's eyes color. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!